coffee? Energy drinks? Ah, old news. What if I told you there's a pill that could keep you laser focused, wide awake, and maybe even boost your brain power? Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's real, and it's called Modafinil, also known as the Limitless pill. But is it really the ultimate brain hack? Or are there risks nobody talks about? Let's find out. All right, let's start with the basics. Modafinil, sold under brand names like Provigil, is a wakefulness promoting agent. Translation? It keeps you from nodding off when you shouldn't. It was originally FDA approved for narcolepsy because randomly passing out during the day is not ideal. Sleep apnea, for those who struggle with excessive daytime sleepiness, and shift work sleep disorder. Night shift workers? This one's for you. But here's where things get interesting. People started noticing something weird. Modafinil didn't just keep them awake, it made them sharper, more focused, and more productive. Suddenly, students, entrepreneurs, and even Silicon Valley execs were calling it the ultimate smart drug. But is it actually safe for brain hacking? Or are there some hidden risks? Let's talk about side effects. Now, before you start ordering a lifetime supply of modafinil, let's talk side effects. Because, spoiler alert, it's not all sunshine and genius level IQ boosts. Let's start with the good. Unlike traditional stimulants, modafinil doesn't usually cause a massive crash or dependency. It does increase dopamine, but in a way that's less addictive than amphetamines like Adderall. People report feeling mentally sharp, motivated, and alert, kind of like a well-caffeinated superhero. The not so good? Headaches. Because nothing says productivity like your brain trying to escape your skull. Insomnia. Take it too late in the day, and you'll be staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m. questioning all your life choices. Nausea and dry mouth. Hydration is your friend. An increased heart rate and blood pressure. Not ideal if you already have cardiovascular issues. Now let's talk about something rare but serious. Severe skin rashes, like Stevens-Johnson syndrome, is rare but potentially deadly. If you see a weird rash, get to a doctor fast. And psychiatric effects, anxiety, paranoia, and even hallucinations can occur, especially in those predisposed to mental health conditions. So, who shouldn't take it? Well, modafinil may be powerful, but it's not for everyone. Here's when you should definitely think twice before taking it. Avoid it if you have heart problems. It can increase heart rate and blood pressure. If you have a history of mental illness, if you have schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, or severe anxiety, modafinil can make things worse. If you have liver issues, since modafinil is metabolized by the liver, those with serious liver disease may struggle to clear it from their system. Of course, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, there's not enough data to prove it's safe, so it's best to avoid it. Now let's talk interactions, because modafinil does not play nice with certain meds. Biggest concerns? Birth control pills. Modafinil can make them less effective. If you don't want any surprise additions to your family, use backup protection. Blood thinners like warfarin. It can alter their effectiveness. Stimulants like Adderall, Ritalin, or a caffeine overload. Too much stimulation is a recipe for anxiety and a pounding heart. And certain antidepressants. It can interact with SSRIs and MAOIs, so check with your doctor. So, is modafinil the ultimate productivity hack or just another overhyped pill? Well, for medical use, it's a game changer for sleep disorders. For brain hacking, it can help with focus and alertness, but it's not a magic pill and it comes with risks. Would I take it? As a pharmacist, I believe in using meds responsibly. If you're considering modafinil, talk to your doctor first. But now I want to hear from you. Have you tried modafinil? Did it work for you? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more pharmacist approved health tips. My name's Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.